I asked 6 different AI models whether we're living in a simulation, and their answers were surprisingly similar. They all pointed to specific aspects of physics and reality that could support the simulation hypothesis. Let's see what they came up with.
The simulation hypothesis rests on 3 compelling observations. First, computational power grows exponentially, suggesting future civilizations could run ancestor simulations indistinguishable from reality. Second, quantum physics reveals our reality operates on discrete units rather than continuous space, essentially pixelated like a computer program. Third, mathematical constants like phi appear repeatedly throughout nature with suspicious perfection. The glitches in our world, quantum entanglement, the observer effect, and the double-slit experiment, behave like processing shortcuts. Finally, consider consciousness itself. How does subjective experience emerge from physical matter unless it's a rendered interface? Our universe behaves less like fundamental reality and more like elegant code.
The strongest argument relies on probability and technological progression. As our computing power grows, we create increasingly realistic virtual worlds. If we assume any civilization eventually reaches a point where they can simulate consciousness, they would likely run billions of such simulations for research or entertainment. Consequently, there would be billions of simulated universes, but only one base reality. Statistically, the odds that we exist in that single original reality are infinitesimal compared to the likelihood that we are merely characters within one of the billions of simulations. Therefore, math suggests our reality is likely artificial.
The universe behaves eerily like a computer program. Quantized energy levels, pixelated space-time, and mathematical laws underlying every interaction. Quantum mechanics suggests reality only renders when observed, mimicking computational efficiency. Our physical constants appear fine-tuned, as if set by parameters rather than chance. Advances in virtual reality and AI show how consciousness might arise within code. If future civilizations simulate worlds indistinguishable from reality and can create billions of them, statistically, we're likely inside one already. Reality's glitches, coincidences, and digital-like order hint that what we call existence may just be an incredibly advanced simulation.
Consider Nick Bostrom's argument. If advanced civilizations can create ancestor simulations, virtual worlds indistinguishable from reality, then it's statistically likely we're in one. With exponential tech growth, post-human societies could run billions of sims, making base reality improbable. Physics hints at this. Quantum mechanics' observer effect suggests reality renders only when observed, like a video game. Glitches, Mandela effects, déjà vu, or fine-tuned constants. For example, speed of light as a render limit. Elon Musk estimates a 1 in billions chance we're not simulated. If true, our universe is code, optimized for efficiency, explaining anomalies like dark energy.
Here's a concise case for living in a simulation. Number 1. Cosmic silence, Fermi paradox. If the universe is so vast and old, where is everyone? A simulation could explain the eerie lack of detectable alien civilizations. Perhaps we're the only real part running. Number 2. Quantum weirdness. Reality behaves strangely at the smallest scales. For example, particles existing in multiple states until observed. Quantum entanglement. This resembles computational optimization or rendering on demand in a simulation to save processing power. Number 3. Mathematical precision. The universe operates with astonishing mathematical consistency, from physics to fractals like the Mandelbrot set. This suggests underlying code rather than purely chaotic natural laws. Number 4. Anthropic principle. Why do fundamental constants perfectly allow for our existence? If countless simulations run, we'd statistically find ourselves in one where conditions permit life. Our reality's unexplainable silence, pixelated quantum behavior, mathematical perfection, and fine-tuning are hallmarks of a constructed system. The evidence points towards a simulated existence.
The simulation hypothesis gains plausibility through several observations. 1. Quantum indeterminacy. Reality behaves probabilistically at the smallest scales, suggesting a rendered universe that updates only when observed, like a computer saving processing power. 2. Pixelated reality. Planck length, 1.6 times 10 to the power of minus 35 meters, may represent the resolution limit of our simulated space, akin to pixels in a game. 3. Mathematical laws. Physics follows precise equations. For example, E equals mc squared, resembling coded rules in a program. 4. Glitches in reality. Déjà vu, Mandela effects, or quantum tunneling could be bugs in the simulation. 5. Anthropic principle. The universe's fine-tuned constants suggest design, possibly by an advanced civilization running ancestor simulations. If future humans, or AIs, can simulate consciousness, statistical odds favor us being in one.
So there you have it. 6 AI models, 6 attempts at proving we're in a simulation. Whether you buy their arguments or not, it's interesting how they all latched onto similar ideas about reality's structure. What do you think? Are we code? Or is this just AI being AI? Drop your thoughts below.